Well, hello. This is Adina of AdinaO'Neill.com. I am a mom, a wife, a coach, a triathlete, an entrepreneur, just a regular person living her very best life every day. And today I am going to change the tube on my bike tire because I have a flat tire. It didn't happen while I was riding. There must be something that caused a slow leak because I went to go grab my bike and the tire was flat. So I pumped it up a little bit to give it a check and it went flat again. So here we are, we're going to change the tire. The most basic tools that you need are a couple of tire levers, very, very helpful. Obviously a new tube. And if it's your first time changing a tire, it's likely that you're gonna mess it up. So I'm gonna give you the advice that was given to me. Give it a try at your own home, and if you mess it up, take it into the bike shop and they're going to walk you through what you did wrong. That's how I changed my first tire, and since then I've been able to change them on the road, luckily never during a race, but I prefer to do them at home where I have plenty of room. So that's what we're going to get to today. First thing is you actually have to take the tire off your bike. So you're going to open up the skewer here, open up the brakes, and then just give it a little tug, and you can help the chain off. I like to wear some like cheap gloves just so I don't get super dirty. And then we're gonna use this little lever to help get the tire off. So you're gonna use this part right here, and I'm just going to put it right inside, and it's going to pull the edge of the tube off outside the wheel. Get in there, there we go, and then we're just going to slide it around either towards you or away from you and get that. Oh, it's being stubborn. Just stick it in there again. Go. There we go. And that's just going to open the tube up, the tire off. Okay, so once you've gone all the way around, you'll see that now the tire is ready to come off. Next part is you're going to undo this screw right here so you can take the tube off. Okay, we're just going to push that through. This has a long, and we're going to pull the tube out from the inside. It doesn't always happen easily. All right, I got the tube now in my hand. So I'm gonna pull the tube around. Okay, get that out. And then you'll be able to get the valve out. This is a long valve, so you gotta really kind of pull it out. Ta-da! Okay. So if you feel like taking the time, you can go along the tube to see where the leak is and try to repair it. I'm not going to do that right now. I've actually never done that. But you do want to take a minute to feel along the inside of the tire. Make sure that there's nothing pointy sticking out, because if there's something pointy in there, then you are going to risk puncturing the new tube. So just run your fingers along gently inside. Make sure that, all right, so that feels pretty good. I don't feel anything. So I'm gonna go on and put the new tube in. So when you put the new tube in, you're gonna wanna have a little bit of air in it to help get it in. So I just open it up blow in it. That's got a little bit of air, and that's going to help you to actually navigate the tube into its spot. And we're going to start right where the valve goes in. Oops, yep, right where the valve goes in. And then you're going to guide it along the inside of the tire. And you want to be careful to guide it along the inside of the tire, and so that way it's not going to get pinched when you put it inside and put the tire inside. Because if you pinch it, then you're going to get what they call a pinch flat, right? So if the tube is too close to the tire and the frame of the wheel, you can pinch it right in there and you'll end up with another flat. Okay, we're almost done. Now we're just going to take the heel of your hand, and I like to put it up on my leg, and you're just going to press the tube back. Turn it this way so you can see what's going on. Just pressing the tube into the rim. And it starts out, it's pretty easy to do until you get to the end. And you just, there you go, all the way around. Now we're ready to put some air in it. So you have the choice, you can put the air right away. I like to put it back on the bike. Slide it right in there, into its spot. We'll put some air in it. Oh, almost forgot. Remember that little washer? You can put that back on there too. If you don't put that on, it makes putting the air in a little tougher. Okay. Okay, and now we're going to open up this. Let me put the air in here. And you can see there's no air, so I like to keep the air in my back tire. This is a road bike, between 100 and 110. See, it's getting nice and firm. More. Okay. And then we're ready to go. And then you just tighten your skewer back up. You can give it a little spin to make sure that it's in the right spot. Okay. Make sure that's nice and tight. Close up the brakes. And spin to make sure it's not rubbing. It looks straight. We're ready to go. I'm gonna adjust, I've got my magnet for my cadence sensor, so I'm just gonna adjust that. Okay, ready to go. And I'm gonna like to test, make sure that I've got it ready. So I'll just move the pedals, make sure that all the sensors are working, and I can see they're working. So I did it right. All right. Well, I'm ready to go for a ride.